Welcome to Colabus, the next generation collaboration software. Collaboration intelligence starts with intelligent collaboration. The unified communications feature enables team members to interact with each other using the audio or video calling capability and instant messaging. During a call, one can smoothly transition between sharing screens, brainstorm ideas using interactive whiteboards, exchange instant messages both with the person on the call as well as with other people. Sessions can be recorded and the contents indexed and searched. Minutes of the meeting can be documented interactively during the call, which can be converted to tasks using the mouse, or better yet, with a voice assistant